What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is another car from Jim's collection. This is a 1977 MGB. It is from Jim's collection, and this thing is pretty sweet. It's been sitting for about 5 years or so. What happened to it was it had a wiring issue, and the guy brought it in, and I guess he didn't want to pay to fix it, so Jim bought it. So pretty clean old car. Like I said, it just needs to be cleaned up. Interior is nice and sweet. It's got this brown interior, which I've never seen in the MGB. We'll get in and take a look. It's showing 79,000 miles. It's got the old blue pump radio in it, which I looked in the dash, and it has the owner's manual. How unique. Got a fire extinguisher in there. Old JVC door speakers. Pretty neat car. Top's in good shape. Dashboard's in good shape. The old wood grain MG shift knob. Now this is a peculiar thing that he pointed out. This is a combination emergency brake lock, and this thing won't pull up if you set the numbers. I've never seen one before. It has the numbers. Let's see if we can get on the front of it. It has the numbers right here, so you just turn it to whatever number the code is, and it lets the emergency brake come unlocked, so you can push it down or pull it up, either one. That's real cool. I asked him, was this some kind of add-on? He said he's never seen it before. So leave a comment in the box below if you ever seen a emergency brake combination lock, which is cool. Back here it's got a roll bar in it. Now I've never seen an MGB with a roll bar, with the roll cage, half a roll cage. Now that is pretty cool. So when you take the top off, you got this roll cage. Kind of tight. You got this roll cage sticking up. Let's see, can I get the seat to fold forward? So that is neat. This thing has got a roll, half a roll cage, a roll bar, and it's bolted straight to the frame. So there ain't no flipping this one over. Well, flip it and save yourself. Like I say, top's in good shape. Just needs to be cleaned up. There's the old blue over there. TR7. Now he said he wants to go through the brake system. So let's see what we got in the trunk. We got the spare, which is probably the original spare. Look at that. That thing is mint. Nice good tire. Got a tarp. Got some parts here. I think this is the master cylinder. We got wheel cylinders, brake lines, which I'm gonna put all that in. It's got stupid plastic in here. Let's get rid of that. So she's pretty sweet. Just need to be probably buffed out. Put some good wax on it. Now we're going to go up under the hood and we'll look under there. Now under the hood we got our dual carbs, SU carbs. It's got dual K&N filters on it. Now this is the part that's janky. See these wires right here? They are burnt really bad. And he said he was trying to hook up something and fried the wires. So Jim was like, oh, we'll just put a new harness in it. Ain't no sense of trying to repair them, which this probably can be repaired. But if you look back here, you see that wire there? All that stuff is burned up. So we're gonna do just like we did old Blue over there. We're gonna put a new harness that goes from under the dash out to the engine. Now this one has an aftermarket electric fan on it. It don't have the dual electric fans like most of them do. So like I say, this thing is it's in pretty decent shape. Some nice new tires on it, even though it's been sitting for so many years. The tires still look good. It might have been sitting less than 5. These are 185 75 14s. I think it's a whole matching set. What are they? AVID Touring. It's got the wide tires. Well, they're Yokohama's. Yokohama AVID. So it's got a whole set of Yokohama tires on it, which is good. Like I said, the top is good, just need to be cleaned up. He said he was going to put another top on it. I said, hey, don't trash that top if you're going to do it. I want it. Which he's probably not going to. It's not bad. It just need to be clean. But anyway, that's basically it. Quick update on the 77 MGB. We'll be getting this thing back running. I'm sure we're going to have to go through the fuel system. See what's... Ew. Look at that. That's bad gas. It's all the way down the neck. So I'm pretty sure the tank is gonna have to come out and be cleaned. It's got good exhaust from front to back. Nice little muffler setup. Don't see any rot or rust up under here. It looks pretty rust free. These cars are bad about rusting. Ooh, the muffler's got a dent in it. Wonder how that happened. Wonder did he pick it up with the forklift? Which he probably did. Got the muffler a little bit. We'll check that out. But yeah, it's a pretty sound old ride. So, like I say, we'll get her all cleaned up, and we'll get her ready to get back on the road. So y'all just keep watching, keep subscribing, and stay safe.